How can the Library Learning Commons apply an expanded notion of literacy while supporting an outdoor learning environment? One focus of the new Library Learning Commons model is on innovation. In building purpose for my inquiry, I looked at the leading learning document's key steps and considered the renewed Library Learning Commons perspective. In creating and exploring my inquiry question, I considered the 5 standards outlined in the Canadian Library Association's leading learning document. These include collaboration, school goals, effective instruction, expanding literacies, and participatory learning. Collaboration is important. My colleagues gave me insight, interests, and passions, and they offered me knowledge while I ungracefully fumbled through new district routines and procedures. This was all a process, and in collaboration, the learning will continue with no clearly outlined determined end. There is no end because we are constantly changing in our world and our learners are too. Transforming the library involves teamwork and aligning the school goals with district, provincial, and territorial goals, as well as student, parent, and staff needs. I began my hunt for all relevant best practices books on pedagogy, apps, technology, and resources that would expand the notions of literacy and enhance, motivate, and support the outdoor instructional learning processes. I looked up old curriculum resources and stumbled across CARE, which got me thinking of connections to local stewardship, sustainability, and other relevant environmental outdoor community values and responsibilities. Transliteracy, according to Susanna Sokovic, concerns the ability to apply and transfer a range of skills and contextual insights to a variety of settings. Rather than focusing on any one skill set or technology, transliteracy is about fluidity of movement across a range of contexts. If our children are to be able to navigate their lives through this multimedia culture, they need to be fluent in reading and writing the language of images and sounds, just as we also teach them to read and write the language of printed communications. We need to foster all literacies. I can suggest, share, and read professional teacher texts that expand these notions of literacies and provide curriculum connections to the outdoors. In the 21st century, students need to be inspired to move away from distracted digital consumption and toward productive explorations of knowledge. I want to help students build strategies for staying connected to their outdoor environments, maintain healthy lifestyles, and sustain positive social and emotional relationships throughout their whole life. In using diverse technologies, students develop critical thinking and innovative ways to share their ideas using transliterate print and non-print designs to communicate with local, provincial, and global audiences. Thank you for sharing my presentation with me.